2014-172, State of Arkansas versus Travis Langston.
And I believe this is the third case in a row that results from a previous arraignment and reappearance today in front of this court for a scheduling order.
Right, the defendant, the record should reflect that the defendant was arraigned in front of Judge Putman on, I guess it was July. I'm not seeing the date on this, but anyway, there's an order reflecting he appeared sometime before July 10th, entered a plea of not guilty and was set off for the day. The court, this matter is on the Division 4 docket and will set it by scheduling order for the trial date in January 15th of 2015. Pre-trial will be scheduled for November 29th of 2014, and a reappearance for status will be on October 23rd, 2014. All of those dates and others will be included in the written scheduling order that will be entered in regard to this matter, and the court. And the court will set this matter down for trial and hearings on those dates. Anything else to be taken up to that?
Your Honor, on the issue of bond, what Mr. Kincaid and I have shown from his notes is that his bond is at an odd number of $53,000. I told Mr. Kincaid that I would ask the court to essentially reduce that bond in half. I don't believe the state's going to have any strenuous objection to that.
Mark, the only thing I've noticed since we talked is that he is probably going to get a revocation because he got placed on what appears to be 10-year supervised probation in 2012 in September. So he's probably going to be on probation if that's just the correct criminal history. Don't have any probation. Tell him he's out of Marion County though.
Your Honor, we would consider our request based upon this charge to be a reasonable request.
The jail shows no bond on him. So he got a hold, Dave, do you know?
I'm not sure. I can check to see.
We'll check and see. I think we're going to find he has a hold on him. Maybe a probation hold, something like that.
Marion County.
Court will set the bond at $25,000, subject to any such hold.
But he probably has a hold if he can't get out of it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
2006-142, State of Arkansas versus Jeremy Jessup. This is one that's set for revocation on to this date.
Your Honor, I believe that he was only arraigned actually last Thursday and set over to today. Your Honor, obviously the defense would not be ready to proceed with a revocation hearing today if it is in fact set for a hearing today.
State's ready to go forward, but we did not object to the defense getting some continuance on Mr. Jessup stays in jail. He was put on probation, I think, in 06, appeared for intake, didn't show back up, was arrested in 09, got a bond and run off again. So he's not been very faithful to show up. He has paid all his fines, costs, and things like that, but he's not ever appeared and talked to a probation officer except one time.
Your Honor, I would so move for it to be continued on defense motion, allow defense adequate time to visit with Mr. Jessup, develop defenses to this case.
I'm going to put it down for hearing on August 14th.
That's fine, Judge.
Do we have Tyler Joe Wheeler for appearance today? Is this Mr. Wheeler?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, this is 2013-40, Tyler Joe Wheeler.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Judge, I need to see his file on probation and then file on here. See mine's here.
He was put down by Judge Putman to appear on a revocation petition for today.
Mayor, is this on your docket?
Yes, I think so.
Mark, you had two cases, you had a 1441 and 1440. 40 is where the revocation was filed, not 41 I lied to you earlier. So 40 is going to be, yeah.
Judge, we're ready to proceed. He's a absconder, Mark.
Yeah.
So if you want to hear him, we can do it, or what are you going to do? We're ready to go forward. Be pretty easy.
All right. Yes, sir.
What do you want to do in here? Why don't you bring let Harry take a look at it?
And let's just bring this gentleman back at 1 o'clock and let Harry and Ron and I visit about this, and maybe something we can dispose of this afternoon.
We'll take care of it this afternoon.
1 o'clock.